Alright, so I'm redoing these videos because they're too big. Alright, so for the first problem, it's asking us to simplify it. So first you're going to want to flip it because of the negative. Negative flips it. C negative 2, D negative 3. All to the third. Multiply it to the third power, so you're going to have 1 over 8C negative 6, D negative 9. And then the negatives have to go back to the other side. So it's going to be 8C 6D 9. The next one, same thing. Got the negative sign, so you're going to flip it. 8 and 7. All to the 1/3 power. To do something to a fractional power, you take the bottom, you make that the root, so it'd be the third root, and then you take the top, and that's what you multiply it to the power, so it'd be the power of 1. So we're gonna do 8 third root over 27 third root. So it's gonna be 2 over 3 for the answer. Next one, you can simplify 16 and 6 first. So that's going to be 8 over 3. And the x's cancel out. 3 is bigger than 2, so it's going to be x, just one x. It'd be like x to 1, but x. But you can write it as just x. So and then y wants to go the other side because it has a negative. It's going to be y2. Next problem. 5 times 4, 81. The 4, so you gotta find 4, the same number that multiply to 81. So that's 3, 3, 3, and 3. So it's going to be 5 times 3, which is 15. Next one. You do 3, and you have to find 5 numbers, 5 of the same numbers that multiply to 32. That's 2. So it's 3 times 2 to the third. So it's 6 to the third. 6 to the third. You looked it up. 216. Next one, you got a negative, so just send it to the bottom real quick. 3k4 negative 4 and 5 and 5 to the 6. Multiply multiply it by the 6th power. So 3 to the 6 is 729. It's going to be 1 over 729 times 729k times negative 4. Negative 4 times 6, negative 24 over 6 times 6, which is M36. Simplify it to 1 or 7, 29, K 24 over M36. Next one is well, first you can multiply it by the power of 2, so it's going to be 100. 100 squared is, or 10 squared is 100, and 27 squared 729. So it's 100 times square root 6 root of 729. 100 times 3. So your answer is 300 for that. Next one, flip it really quick. 16, 625 to 1/4 is same as 4 all to the 1 power. So we're going to do 16, the fourth root of 16, which is 2. So we'll put 2. Fourth root of 625 is 5. This is going to be 2 over 5 for that answer. And then the last one is 18. You do 18 divided by 21 right away. Or you can. I like to get out of the way. So that's going to be 6 over 7. X on the negative 2 wants to go the other side. This will be x4, x2. Y wants to go the other side, so y3. We can combine the x's, so your answer is going to be a 6x, 6, and 7y3.